Tatiana says, Dear Craig, do you think you could ever do a show without using your sound effects machine? I could, but it'd be like having sex without your genitals. Why? Why? I mean, that's the best bit, you know. Oh. I think it's really funny. This is my job. How awesome is that? How awesome is that?
What the? Wow.
Wow. I didn't know I could still do that. Yeah, there you go.
Wow.
I thought I could only do that in the old studio. It works here too? Yeah. What about this? Does this still work here?